What's going on, everybody? This your boy, Mr. Football West Coast, and I'm back at you with another video. And today we have the new Apple AirPod Pros. As you can see, got the boxing, got the MagSafe charging case, which is supposed to be new for this model. So we'll see what the hype is about. But I kind of caved in. I said I wasn't gonna buy one of these things. I actually had the Beats by Dre, pros or whatnot. So, we'll see. So, fast forward to the unboxing portion. And I come from an era where the iPhone already came with headphones or AirPods or whatever you want to call them, but they were wired, but they came with the phone. You kind of pay for what you get. And then all of a sudden Apple started saying, nope, we're not putting no more headphones free inside with your iPhone. So that's just kind of where we're at right now, where you have to buy these separate. Also too, one thing I love about Apple products, they have a distinctive smell. I know that sounds kind of weird, but if you smell the box, it just be smelling so good. But that's kind of weird. So, but yeah. So I'm gonna open the box. So we got the box open, and we have your typical Apple directory, or however you want to call it, and info. It tells you about the product, etc. Always gotta let them know that it is designed in California, not Nevada, not New York, not Utah, but California. And of course your AirPod case, wireless charging, the deal. Presentation is always nice. Apple always comes with the environmentally friendly, containers and stuff like that, so that's cool. So beyond your actual AirPod case, you open this, and you have your lightning cable, of course. And you have your earbud sizes, depending on how big your ears are or how small, etc. You want them to fit snug, obviously. And like I said, your lightning cable, which is pretty snug inside. This is an extra one for me because I have one that, obviously that comes with the iPhone. So you're all good with that. So looks like these are already charged. So you can just open them up like that. And they're pretty much already set for you to use. And you plug your lightning cable right in there. So this is my unboxing. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.